Hey guys, so I just got done with my Ice Queens collab, and while I was in the middle of my Ice Queens collab, package came for me, right? And then I was like, oh, who's this? Where'd this package come from? Because I'm expecting several packages that just have not came yet. It's very disappointing actually, but it was one from my wonderful best friend Jessica Ersin. She sent me this box, and I'm pretty sure it's some cool stuff. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You guys don't even know. I'm super excited about this.
So I got my trusty old box cutter, okay, from my Walmart days.
There's gonna be some great things in here, okay? Because Jessica's a great person. Ooh. I just know this is gonna be great. Okay, oh, fuck. Let me get my shit out of the way. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? She said it's a Tart Palette. Okay, so first of all, there's a bunch of stuff in here. So we have a fat ass unboxing, guys. You don't even know. Okay, so this says Tarte High Performance Naturals.
Naturals, right? Yeah, it says naturals.
Okay, so it's an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it's pretty, right? I like it. Look how cute. This is so perfect for like every day. You guys don't know, but like on my desk, I have like palettes that stay on my desk because I use it for work and stuff. And then I have palettes that are over here in like a little palette organizer for like extra stuff, you know, like this look. What else do we have? Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas already. You guys don't even know. Okay. What's next? Ooh. It's the Anastasia Riviera palette. Ooh. The owls. I just have always loved how Anastasia does their packaging. You guys. Ooh. Look at all the color. And then there's non-color ones too. That's wonderful. I'm so excited. Ooh. This one, Mediterranean. Look how pretty this is. Holy crap, that's pretty. So pretty.
I need something to wipe my finger off now. Okay.
You guys, she told me she was sending me this. It's the Bailey Sarian palette from Venice Fling and Bailey Sarian. You guys, I love Bailey Sarian. Okay, Bailey and Bobbi. Wouldn't that be like, that's just, I already have a best friend, but you know, me and Bailey are low-key twins. She has a dog that's name is Saint. My dog's name is Saint, and that wasn't even planned. I didn't know she had a dog named Saint till later. Oh my god, these palettes are so large. Look at, they're like the size of my eyeball large. They're so pretty. I'm just gonna swatch a few of them, you know. And me and Jessica are now palette twins because she also has a Bailey Sarian palette. So, palette twins. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Ooh, look at those shades. I just swatched 3 of the shades. I swatched, the purple one is Roller Skates. The burgundy one is Puppy Love. And the brown one is Venice Fling. Ooh, it's like a brown, but then it also has like little sparkles in it. You guys. I'm so creepy with it. I'm so excited though. I'm like freakishly excited. Oh my god, this Mediterranean shade is so pretty. I don't even want to wipe it off, but I have to because I'm sure there's going to be more swatches. I know it. Okay. She probably paid really good money for all of this packaging. Yep. Hello bubble wrap. But stuff does break because me and Jessica had a conversation not too long ago about how the UPS man, the Amazon dude, they don't give a fuck about your stuff. They just toting it around hard. Shut the fuck up! No! Jessica! You should not have! But I'm gonna keep it. Oh my god! If you guys don't know, this is the Pat Mcgrath Celestial Divinity palette. Oh my goodness. I've never had a Pat Mcgrath eyeshadow. I've never had one from the mother. Okay? And oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's giant. And it's so pretty. Ooh. You guys, it's so pretty. Look, it's so nice. All of the colors. I just know I can make so many things. So many things. Thank you so much, Jessica. I'm just a poor girl sitting here in my poor world. No, but I now have a lot of high-end things. I'm going to have to like do tutorials with these. And I have to wear them every day. Okay, so let's swatch some of the things. Okay. Okay. This one is called Violet Void. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Let's see. Which one is this one? Okay, this one is called Galactic Gold. Ooh, that's super shiny. Oh, look. Oh, look. Okay, and then let me swatch one more. I think this one is called Dragonfly. I'm gonna swatch it across. Oh, bitch. It's one of the multi-chromes. It kind of reminds me of Scarab from the Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson Tiny Marvels palette. Ooh, but I have to swatch the red one. Okay, I have to. I'm sorry, I have to. So the gold one or the red one is called Saturnalia. Saturnalia, I think is how you say it. Okay, so. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. See all that quality. That red is beautiful. I have to use it tomorrow. I'm going back to work tomorrow, guys, so I have to use it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Jessica. Thank you so much for being my friend. Thank you so much for sending me this like awesome box full of the best present that I've gotten in a very long time. Like, this got the same reaction that like my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette got, but like on like 4 times. Okay, 4 times more. This is amazing. I'm so happy. This like made my day. Not only are you there for me every single day, helping me with my channel, giving me advice, doing this and that with me, but you're like a really kind, really giving person, and just I'm so happy you're my friend. I really, really am. And it's not just because of the palettes, dude. It's because you're just an A+, like just kick-ass chick. So I'm going to link Jessica's channel below. I really hope you guys go down below, subscribe to Jessica, binge watch her content, tell her I sent you, all of that good stuff. And yeah, thank you. I'm just so happy. Oh my God. I got everything. I got the Bailey Sarian palette. I got the Pat Mcgrath Celestial Divinity palette. I got the Anastasia Riviera palette and the Tart Naturals palette. Like, I have all the palettes now. I have all the palettes now, guys. Yeah. All the palettes. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.